Hello, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you as promised, the modified ATX power supply. And let's get to the power supplies right now and let's see that. As you can see, we have here the two power supplies. I'm going to put now here photos from the inside, from the modifications that I was to. And we're going now to take a look at the voltage range that it has. Okay, I was plugging now the banana jacks to the power supply, and let's turn it on. And as we can see, we have 5.2 volts, that's the minimum. Let's crank the potentiometer, and we are increasing 7, 8. We can go easily above 12 volts, as you can see, but we should stay about, let's do it like 12 point something. Yeah, let's see how high we can actually go before it trips out. At least I hope it will trip. Was not tested yet, actually. Oh, we can go actually much higher. Okay, I didn't know. Okay. So we have to keep that in mind, that we can actually go much higher than we should. Yeah. The overload, however, works. I was tested because I was making accidentally a short circuit. But if you increase the voltage to more than something like 13, I think, and you turn it off and on again, you cannot turn it off. It trips. So it has a voltage protection, but it seems it's higher than 16, maybe it's higher than 16 volts. You have to crank down a little bit, and then we should be able to start it again. Yes, it's the same for both. And let's go a bit more. Oh, it's a bit more back. Like this. And it's the same for this one. It's basically the same. You can go all the way down to about 5 volts. Yeah, 5.2, and you can go much higher than 12, as you can see easily. Again, we should not go above something like this. Otherwise, okay, now it works. I guess if you go higher than like 12 point something, 12.3, 12.5, it trips. That was the voltage test. Now we will make a load test at full load, 20 amps. I will just set up the things. Okay, I was now changed the setup. We have here a 1.2 ohm heater, 500 watt, because it will be 20 amps, 2.5 square millimeter wire for the connecting. The power supplies are connected in series. I was modified the secondary side so that it is lifted from the ground. The primary, of course, has a ground, but the secondary doesn't, so we can connect them now in series. Let's make a little load test now. First power supply, second power supply, we have 24.5 volts, 0 amps, of course. Start the power supply, let's turn them in the load on. As you can see, the heater is working nicely. We draw 18.2 for amps at 24.22 volts. it drops the resistance increase because of the wire. So we have a little bit less than 20 amps, but that's okay. And it works nicely, as you can see. And if we wait long enough, the water will of course start to boil, but no one wants to see water boiling, so yeah. As you can see, it basically instantly you can hear the effect. And the voltage, it's nice. Oh, I almost forgot to say that I was paint my 1.5, right? Henry inductor from the last video. I just put the installation here and paint it so it looks much nicer now. This is actually a transformer that has different voltages. It has like 213, 600 volts out, and I think 130 or something like that. It can be used in any combination of those. It's auto transformer, so only one coil basically. I was modified. This was actually a 230 to 400 volt isolation transformer, but I modified that one. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys. Bye.